Hello there, scholars. Welcome to grammar workout number 7. Let's start off with this little challenge today. All right, let's talk about participial phrases. What's a participial phrase, you ask? A participial phrase is going to begin with a present or past participle. So typically, if the participle is present, it will end in ing. And if it's a past participle, it'll end in ed. Let's take a look here at some examples. So here is a present tense participial phrase. Crunching caramel corn for the entire movie, the entire audience shushed him. So there we go, our participial phrase. It is present tense. It's got the ing verb. And here is a past tense one. Washed with soap and water, the dog still stank. So this one is past and has an ed. All right, I want you guys to combine these two sentences using a participial phrase. Your first sentence is, Johnson got the bank to lend him $500. Sorry about that. And the second sentence is, he used his mother's furniture as collateral. Pause the video here. Let's see how you guys can do with this one. Welcome back, scholars. Did you come up with something like this? Using his mother's furniture as collateral, Johnson got the bank to lend him $500. So here we have a present tense participial phrase. And this is also a periodic sentence because with this participial phrase coming at the beginning, we have our main idea, our independent clause that comes at the end. All right, guys, let's move on to this sentence, which has a capitalization error. Sentence fragment. Remember, sentence fragment is just, it's going to be a dependent clause. It's going to be an incomplete sentence. So you'll be looking for something like that. And then the em dash. I love the em dash, the most versatile of all the punctuation marks. It can be used as a comma. It can replace parentheses. It can do what a semicolon can do and what a colon can do. It's a terrific punctuation mark. Here we go. If ice did not float, this is called a hypothetical question, tons of it at both the North Pole and the South Pole would sink, covering the Earth with water. Go ahead and pause the video here, guys, and let's see how you do. All right, welcome back. First up, here is our em dash. If ice did not float, and here's my em dash, which is 2 hyphens. This is called a hypothetical question. And there I close my em dash. And you notice I could have used parentheses here as well. I could have used a comma here as well, but I'm going to use the em dash since that's what this particular one is asking me to look for. And then, of course, tons needed to be lowercase. Next up, North Pole needs to be capitalized. It's a specific region, and as is South Pole. Now, some of you guys might be wondering, well, what about Earth? Well, in this case, Earth is referring to dirt or land as opposed to the planet, so we do not capitalize it in this case. All right, next up, guys, our last sentence. We have a capitalization error, another sentence fragment, a spelling error, and a hyphen error. Here we go. The LA Lakers won 3 back-to-back championships in the National Basketball Association, NBA, in 2000 to 2002. Pause it here, guys, and let's see what you guys come up with. All right, welcome back, scholars. This one was kind of short and quick here. We've got the LA Lakers. Lakers, of course, it's the name of a team, so we need to capitalize that. Here is my hyphenated phrase here, back to back. Got 3 words now. It's turned into one thing. And then championships in, I want to get rid of that period there, lowercase the in, and that'll take care of my sentence fragment. And then association was spelled incorrectly. And then finally, NBA should be capitalized. And some of you guys might be asking, well, do I need to put in the abbreviation N period, B period, A period? And the answer to that is no. When an acronym becomes it's used so often that it becomes its own word, you can drop the abbreviation periods. So, for example, NBA, the SAT, the ACT, TV, which is short for television, all of those are just, they've become, though they're acronyms, they've become words in and of themselves. So we don't have to abbreviate them anymore. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you have a wonderful one. I look forward to seeing you guys all soon. Take care, be safe, and stay warm.